Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today, we are answering a common question: how to turn Android to stock Android. Let us get started. Go to the Play Store, search for Nova Launcher, install it, and then open it. From there, you can set up your phone, toggle light or dark mode, and customize colors. To make it more Android-like, switch from one UI icons to Nova icons and adjust the app icon size if needed. I will leave most settings as they are. Once you are there, you can start customizing the launcher. Hold down on the screen to access the settings, and you will find stock-like Android widgets, such as the analog clock. You can also change your wallpaper to whatever you prefer and set it up as you normally would. Next, click on the Nova settings in the top right corner. You will find many customization options here. For example, on stock Android, the app icons are circular, and we can adjust that in Nova Launcher. In the look and feel section, you can modify the search bar, page indicator, and even add icons to the home screen, along with other customizable settings. In icon layout, you can adjust icon size and customize the app drawer, folders, and animations. You can also switch to circular icons for a more stock Android look. And there you have it. Converting your Android to stock Android with Nova Launcher is quick and easy. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips. Which method do you prefer? Let us know in the comments section below and share with a friend. Until next time, stay connected with Wireless Solutions. Bye for now.